you could tell this wasn't an ordinary conference just by who was in the room. World leaders, technology chiefs, strategic rivals who don't usually share a stage. And there, in the middle of it all, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, hosting, yes, but also positioning India in a much larger contest. Online, the jokes wrote themselves. But behind the humor was something serious. Power, capital, and influence converging in one place. But beneath the humor was a very serious indication, because on that stage stood OpenAI's Sam Altman and Anthropic's Dario Amodei, former colleagues turned rivals, momentarily unsure whether to hold hands for the group photo, settling instead for raised fists. The internet reacted instantly. When AGI? The day Sam and Dario hold hands. In that moment, India became part of the decision-making core. At the India AI Impact Summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered a very clear message. Design in India, develop in India, deliver to the world, deliver to humanity. India is positioning itself not just as an AI market, but as a global AI hub. A bridge, if you will, between advanced economies and the global south. A country that builds at scale and deploys at population scale. India now has nearly 1 billion internet users, making it one of the largest AI adoption markets globally. Global tech giants are already betting big on that. Microsoft, $17.5 billion in AI and cloud expansion. Then we have Google, $15 billion AI infrastructure and connectivity. Amazon then comes in with $35 billion cloud and AI investment by 2030. India aims to attract about $200 billion in data center investment. It represents a substantial expansion of capability. India is building something different, and here's that list. Digital public infrastructure at population scale. Then we have Aadhaar, UPI, and digital identity rails. Then multilingual AI for hundreds of languages. Cost-efficient deployment for developing economies. Modi emphasized AI must be inclusive, it must empower the global south, and must belong to everyone. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres echoed this, warning the future of AI cannot be dictated by a handful of countries, or for that matter, billionaires. Meanwhile, the rivalry shaping AI's future was visible, definitely, in real time. OpenAI and Anthropic, competitors pushing the frontier of intelligence. Amodei warned, AI could surpass human cognition across most domains within years. Altman said India is leading global AI adoption, and India stood right between them, not choosing sides, but shaping the arena. India still faces real hurdles, let's not be mistaken. Limited access to advanced chips, compute and data center capacity gaps. Then, of course, we have complexity of training across hundreds of Indian languages. Need for sovereign AI infrastructure. But you know what? The direction is unmistakable. India is positioning itself as the deployment engine of AI, the affordability layer for the global south, a democratic alternative in the AI world order, a population scale testing ground for real world AI. You know what? This is about shaping how AI reaches humanity. And here is the methodology on front page. The front page take. The awkward moment between AI rivals became a metaphor. The world's most powerful AI leaders stood together, but the stage belonged to India as a system builder, as a global bridge, and perhaps as the place where the future of AI cooperation will be negotiated, and maybe, just maybe, get over Calgotia's university robot dog. Because if AGI changes the world, its real test will be scale, inclusion, and impact. And that test may be written in India. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.